Now let's talk about how to change the color of the conditional formatting that we've set for the growth rates. There are two parts to it. One is the arrow and the second part is the growth rates in numbers. First, we're going to start with this icon here. Click on this and make sure you're on the Home tab. Go to Conditional Formatting. Go to Manage Rules. This will see the format that we have set for this rule. Now, if you want to change the downward trend color, for example, double click on that and you come to this window, click on Format. That's when you can select the style, the font deco, the color of the font, even the fill color and everything. It's all available here. So if you want to just change the color of the text to maybe a brighter red, simply select that and click OK. Now click OK again and click Apply. See, all the color of the arrow has been updated. Now just to show you what is being updated, see all the arrows, these are all green, so you can't see much, but you can see for this particular column all the arrows has been updated with the new color. So you can do the same thing with the upward trend. So this one, go to Format. If you want to change it to brighter green, click OK, OK, Apply. See, it's now all getting updated. Just a quick scroll to show you that it's working. Now, let's move on to the percentage. To do that, similarly, just go to Conditional Formatting, Manage Rules. See, there's this one that looks very similar to how we color this. Double click, Format. Here's where you're going to change the color of the text, the font. You can change it to black if you want. For the fill, maybe you want to make it to maybe yellow. Click OK. OK. Oops. Are we not updating? Oh, I'm selecting the wrong one. Should be here, like somewhere here. Okay, let's just choose this color. More colors. More colors, and let's get brighter color. Okay, click OK, OK, and click Apply. See, now it's all getting updated. If you want to change the upward colors, it's this one. Double click, Format, and maybe change it to green color. Okay, 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 Apply. Now that has changed the color of the growth rates. Now let's talk about how to edit the conditional formatting for the negative KPI. For example, for the bounce rate, when it's increasing, it actually means that the performance of the website is deteriorating. In this case, we want to make sure that this growth rate is indicating that with their colors, which means we are going to make the color into green when it's decreasing and make it into red when it's increasing. To do that, we need to edit the conditional formatting. Now, simply click on this icon and go to Conditional Formatting, select Manage Rules. This will show you all the rules that is applied to this particular cell. Now, duplicate this green one, duplicate. We are going to double click to make some edits. So here, make sure to change this to E14 equals to quote downward icon. So before you come here, you can go and copy the icon and then repeat the same steps to come to this window. Now click OK, remove that, and applies to, you're going to put down this log E13. This is the rule that you're going to use. Formula E13 equals to downward icon. Use the screen format and applies to just E13. Then click apply and OK. Same thing we're going to do for this conditional formatting for the percentages. Use this. Duplicate the rule. Double click. Actually, for this less than 10, that less F13 less than 0. Okay, and let's use this. Select everything here, remove it. Goes to F13. Okay, click apply. Check. Okay. It's not there. Check. Oh, why is it changing this? 13 0. Okay. Apply. Okay. Yep. So just double make sure that this is not changing. The number, it's very important. The reference number is referring to the row number, so make sure that it's not changing. If not, you won't get it right. Okay, so what if it's going down? Then this should be in red. So again, we're going to repeat the same steps. Go to manage rules. Copy this red one, duplicate, double click. Change this to E13 equals to down upward. And now click on this, then remove the entire range equals log F13. Alright, so now that is it. You are able to change the color of this bounce rate, and let's test it out. Let's say if we key in 65%, that would be decreasing, means it's a good thing, and it changed to green. And when it's increasing, means it's a bad thing, which is why it's in red. So that is pretty much the tutorial. It took me so much because of the glitch that I'm having in my laptop. I'm not sure if it's just me. But yeah, that is how you can make the edits. If you have any questions, I know it's kind of complicated here, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help you out with any problem that you face. Thank you and take care. Bye bye.